Hey guys, Ray here with Corn Dog Caravan. A couple months ago we upgraded our monitoring system in our Promaster van and purchased the Scan Gauge 3 model. It's an OBD2 reader. You can program it to do all kinds of things, but had really good luck with it. Love the unit, love to be able to monitor transmission temperatures, oil temperatures, you name it, you can do it, everything. On rare occasion, we have, when you turn the key, the screen doesn't wake up, and I know it's working. Got off the phone just recently with Orlando from Scan Gauge, and he quickly surmised that maybe to check the software version on it. And sure enough, the software version I have was 1.23. He said that some of the older software versions, because this is in the unit, they're still working some bugs out, and they did find something there, so he's recommended upgrading it to 1.25. What you'll see, and this is exactly what happened, this has probably happened maybe 3 or 4 times, but I hop in, I start the engine, all my normal gauges work, and yeah, everything works here. But the display here, and it just doesn't wake up. Sometimes I think I've tried tapping this and it didn't wake it up. So usually what I would do is I have to reach around the back here, disconnect the wire, and then re-plug it in. That would fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and upgrade the software. Be right back and show you how. I've reconnected the wire. It goes through the boot up process. So I'm going to need to find a network. So I'll find a network and we'll finish this out. So this is really simple, guys. While this is downloading, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has been subscribing to the channel. I think we're a little over 1,600 subscribers, and great view time and great comments from everybody. So thank you again. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Please comment if this video helps you, and share with your friends as well. So download's actually happening pretty quick. Yeah, so I'll just show you a couple of quick little things I've got on mine. So I've already got everything scanned, so I'm just going to gauge. So while we're driving, I've got, as you see here, coolant temp, the battery voltage, transmission temperature, the oil pressure. I really just watch the oil pressure. There's really nothing you can do. I do have I think I have a sensor monitor for that built into the Scan Gauge. So if it goes below a certain pressure, that it'll trigger me an alert. But the oil temperature, and then instant miles per gallon. So yeah, you can go in, you can plug in all kinds of trip costs, that kind of thing, miles per gallon, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so let's go to the third screen here. Again, my driving screen, as I call it. So for example, here's how simple this is to use. So instant miles per gallon. Let's say that's not what you want here. You want it something else. Just do a quick tap. And right here, you've got the standard trip and X gauge. You can add items. But here's just, you know, cat temperature, engine load, ignition timing. Most of these you're not going to be able to do anything with, or not on the average use. Speedometer, throttle position. Yeah, so if you want to switch it to, you know, ambient temperature, you can do that. So yeah, it's saying it's 95, so now select, and now ambient temperature. You can move it around. You can just click and drag and put it wherever you want it. Oh, now we're up to 100. 95. It's going between 95 and 100 instantly. So yeah, so let's again change the scroll back, go back to instant miles per gallon, select. Yeah, so again, if I want to move this around, I can slide it, but super easy to use. I love it. So I really hope that was helpful for you if you're getting ready for your Memorial Day weekend drive and you need to make some adjustments, or you are just having issues with your Scan Gauge 3. Hopefully that modification will help you guys. If you like what you see, give us a like, hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, as I said earlier, comment below, hit the notification bell as well. Thanks guys, have a good weekend.